Hello my fellow noobs. Another day, another string method to cover. Today it is going to be a method that helps us put things together. Introducing the concat method. The concat method joins two or more strings together. The result of the method is a completely new string that does not alter existing strings used as arguments for the method. It means that changes to the original string or the return string do not affect each other. Let's see how to concatenate two or more strings together in example number 1. As we can see in the example, concat does not differentiate between string in variable and expression using quotes. They can be used interchangeably. Also, emojis and special characters are no issue at all. To concatenate more than one string, you just add more strings as arguments of method. And that's it. If the arguments are not of the type string, they will be converted to string values before concatenating. Concat can handle any numeric values, booleans and even arrays. There are, however, some special cases that are worth mentioning. As always, it is better to see once than hear 100 times, so here is example number 3. Concat method cannot convert an object, so it just replaces the object with string stating the object was provided. Empty array is substituted with empty string. Constants like null, not a number or undefined are converted to string without any issues, like with the cases in previous example. Concat is not the only option for combining strings together. Actually, there is something even better that you already know. You can use the assignment operator. Yes, that is what they call the plus sign. Have a look at comparison between concat method and assignment operator in the next example. Okay, so as we see, concat can do basically the same thing as the plus sign. So which is better to use? Well, apart from assignment operator, plus sign, being easier to write, it is strongly recommended that we use it instead of the concat method because of the performance issues. On average, assignment operator is twice as fast as concat method. It is because of overhead related to concat being a method of a string object, so effectively it being function. If you don't believe me, have a look at the last example I prepared for you. Just like in the previous example, we use both concat and plus operator trying to achieve the same result string. But if we just ran the commands once, the difference in duration would be too small to compare. Therefore, we will run the same set of operations 1,000,000 times for each option. And we get the difference by subtracting timestamp before starting from timestamp after finishing the 1,000,000 iterations. We output the duration for each option afterwards. So let's get to it. So just like that, we can see that assignment is indeed roughly twice as fast. Sometimes it will be a little bit more, sometimes it's a little bit less. But overall, we can clearly see that plus sign is better. This won't make a difference in single executions, but in real life, you might do some complex string modifications on a large set of data, and then it will make a great difference. So, best to keep this in mind for the future. As always, thank you very much for your attention, and I hope to see you soon in the next methods video.